1. A minute on my baby now. A baby on my baby now. I tell you how the fuck you jumping when you I tell you how the fuck you jumping when you I turn it on my baby, won't you I turn it on my baby. Baby, you looking fire hot. I have you open up.
And right now we got the video. Drake.
What name? Find Your Love.
Stay away from mirrors like she getting dolled up. In the package, I'm poking through the plastic. I want
Dutty Berry, what are your...
My son is deficient too.
I like the girl in the video. The girl in the video is the Mandinga girl. The Jess. Yeah, she was pretty good. I still don't get, because I'm kind of slow, I still don't get the storyline of the video. Anybody who will to share?
Storyline. Nevada had this girl. Jake came to visit from foreign or whatever.
Yeah.
And saw the girl, fell in love with her. Wanted to chat her up.
Fell in love.
Okay. Whatever.
Same with her.
Wanted to chat her up. But Nevada was not happy.
Successfully chatted her up. I mean, you saw that they had a lovely night in the hotel and at the beach, and she was all over him, and there was a lot of tongue action. So he successfully chatted her up.
I like it. I like the song. I'm more than just a number.
Hey, hey, hey.
Where that come from? Fat Albert?
Oh, that's
Okay then. Never thought of that.
Hey, hey, hey.
Okay, Fat Albert didn't sound so sexy saying it though.
Alright, moving right along. I mean, what else in the video? I like the no Movada though. Good gosh, man.
Acting was
Him could have
really
played
so good.
Yeah, but him could have played a villain because him actually have a
Yeah,
look.
I heard that he got a deal, a movie deal from
Oh,
it.
wow.
Because some people saw the video and...
Because I'm see him look like the Grinch, him look creepy.
Yeah,
him
him
actually
have
look.
that Batman.
It fits his like myself. Yo, I could actually see me in one of the scary movie. Me, that's
Good
scary.
actor, good actor.
I'll tell you that.
And the last part of the video, I think him get Drake get shot.
Yes.
Yeah,
By
well,
the girl.
Yeah, but Movada the other for.
Yeah, but still. It hurts. It would hurt you. I found the video amusing.
The video nice, but I really like the first part of the video. The man, you know, say about man name the old man at the beginning of the video. I mean,
but he was warning him that he would get hurt.
I know, but you know, that's the sound too. And then here, you see, no man, Babsy. I talk about how the video, I didn't really like the video kind of portray Jamaica in one, you know,
but
negative.
that's Jamaica on a regular basis. I don't see it as a negative, like, because a lot of my foreign friends who watched the video liked it, they enjoyed it.
I like the video, the Mandinga girl in there is a nice little vibe. My father in there, it was cool. One more video, next video I look forward to is Nicki Minaj and Sean Kingston, song name, Dirty Love.
My friend is in that video.
So I look forward to that.
Oh,
Alright, well,
totally off topic.
that's it, nothing more. The video done, right?
I guess.
That's it for Drake's Find Your Love.
Oh wait, I thought we were going to laugh after Drake. I found it funny. He was all like, hey, I got to see the girl one more time or else I'm going to regret it. Well,
That's some deep
I'm sure you regret seeing her again. You're dead. Yeah.
Yeah, what I did for that girl like that. Did you see that ass on the beach?
That was the best part of the video.
Yeah.
The ass on the beach?
She's really
I
hard.
guess I
And she
didn't
come
see
from
it.
Haiti too.
Really?
Yeah, she's from Haiti. Yeah,
I'm hurt now.
Yeah, me too. I don't like her
Hear
anymore.
myself. Haiti have them people.
I don't like her anymore.
Alright, that's it. That's a wrap cut.
Okay.
That's it.
You first time.
Come sing. Your margin just a number.
Hey, hey, hey,
And I'm down and down and down.
hey, hey, hey.
The hey never so slow, you know.
You are singing
Your
slow too?
margin just a number.
Hey, hey, hey.
Sing it. Dun, 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 dun.
Then Mama call up your name for or something.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah.
Come sing now.
First part. Nicki Minaj's song.
Jam, jam.
Baby 1, 2, 3. Call the referee.